Lesson 30, the 30th lesson. Wireless, or radio as it's sometimes called, is the most wonderful discovery in an age of discovery. Seated comfortably in your home, you can hear music, lectures and news broadcast hundreds of miles away. By means of wireless telephony, you can carry on a conversation with a friend on the other side of the world. I listen in almost every evening. I began, like most amateurs, with a simple crystal set with earphones and an outdoor aerial attached to the roof. Mine is only a 3-valve set, and not of the latest type either, so I'm not always successful in getting England. But now I have a 5-valve set with an indoor frame aerial and loudspeaker. The results are excellent. I can cut out the local station quite easily. I have no difficulty whatever in getting almost any station I like in Europe. I don't profess to know anything of the technical side of the business. One of my friends, Hughes, talks very learnedly about long and short wavelengths, dials, batteries, condensers, oscillators, self-induction and other coils, switches, high and low tension. But it's all Greek to me. I know just about enough to turn the knob and tune into the station I want. I use my wireless set a good deal for keeping up my foreign languages. I find it a very useful addition to the linguaphone course. France gives me French, Spain Spanish, and Italy Italian. And what a blessing wireless has been in times of disaster at sea. Thousands must owe their lives to this discovery of the 20th century.